Okay, so I have my 90mm F-15. I finally have the Afterburner set up the way that I wanted. It was not hard to do. There was just a little bit of setup involved with adjusting the way that the way that the timing on the servo and then throw that you do in the servo menu. But this is what it does. So the very little required to do this. It doesn't take much. All it is a matter of getting it to work. So there's start up with flicker. Nothing special to get it to do that. And then go up a little more. It slowly increases. And as it gets to full, there's a little flicker there. I don't know if you can see it. There's a little bit of flicker there. I don't have tape or anything on the inside, so it does bleed through a little bit. But let me lower the light a little bit and see if you can see that. You can't see that. But it is flickering right now at full. But let's go back down. It's down at half right now, a little below half. You get that flicker like that. So it flickers like that. And again, there's very little setup involved to do this. There is a menu that I can just take pictures or I can walk you through it. It's really easy. This is
Time remaining 2
little
minutes.
above. This is probably about a quarter throttle, maybe a little bit above. Actually, no, it's closer to half. And then once you get to half, this is right at half, so there's a little bit of flickering there at half. And then all the way to full, and it gets just full bright. There is a little flicker there. You can see the camera frame rate's not letting you see it, but there is a flicker there at full too. It's not just steady on. There's a little bit of a shimmer, so it looks more like a flame. And with the tape added, it's really gonna look that way. So I'll have to add some tape a little later. Didn't have it in there now, but I'll either paint it or use tape. Pull it off. So let's go all the way to full and pull it all the way to off. There's a little flicker. That's it.